Hello everyone, this is Ben over at ERP Connect, and in this video we're going to show you how to utilize our key portals in order to see all of your clients' keys if you're a partner or your individual keys if you're an end user. So if you've been here before, you can go ahead and just simply log in, but for those of you who haven't, we would come up to our register button up here, and at this point you can simply put in your email. It's also going to ask for your preferred username. I typically just recommend putting your email there again and then creating a password here. After you've done all that, you can go ahead and fill out the CAPTCHA here. And after that's done, let's try that again. All right, and after that's done, you can go ahead and click register. Now, after you click register, it's going to ask you a few additional questions here, but the most important thing is that you first confirm your email. When you click confirm email, you will get an email that asks you to basically authenticate or verify that email address is owned by you. So we'll wait for that a few seconds here, and I'll show you what that looks like. But after you do that, you should be good to go ahead and log in and take a look at your keys. All right, now that I got that email, you can come in here. You can either copy and paste this full URL, or you can come up and just click the complete registration. And what that should do, we'll copy and paste it in here into our browser. It'll tell us that our email has been successfully confirmed, at which point you can come in here and just put in your first and last name here, and then your phone number in case we need to contact you, as well as your title. At this point, you can go ahead and click update. And then at this point, you'll wait for our team to match you up against your account. That way, from a security standpoint, you're only seeing your keys or the keys for your clients. And we'll show that here just in a second after you've been matched. All right, so I've now matched this account. And if I refresh my portal here as I'm logged in, you will see now that the company matched. Again, this is just for my testing, but I've matched it up against my company. Now, at this point, you're good to go ahead and see all of your keys. So if I go ahead and click keys, this is going to give us a grid for, again, all of our keys. If you're a partner, this will show all of your customers here down this first column. It will show all the modules that they have, the environment name, the expiration date, the installed tenant ID, as well as the activation key. And again, if you're an end user, you'll just see your own keys here. Now, if you are a partner and you want to go to this filter, I can simply click this filter, click apply filter, and it will narrow it down just for that customer record. Again, so if you wanted to see different customers, you could simply toggle that there, or you could leave it blank and it would show you everyone. Again, if you are a partner, it will tell you who you're logged in as up here, as well as all of your keys by customer if you prefer this view. So again, similar to that sort and that filter, you can come here and see your customers one by one, click on them and see just their keys. Now, if you do not have the keys that you're looking for and you need new keys, you can also do that directly from the portal. So again, this is going to be all of your keys with the filters. If you need a new key, you can come up here to key requests. Now, this will show you the status if you've had any key requests in the past, but if you need to just create a new one from scratch, you can click new key request right here. Now, it is going to ask you for your end user's company legal name, as well as the first and last name, just some good contact information. So again, I'm going to do testing key request 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll do myself as the user. This is just asking for BC user count, who your VAR is. We'll say ERP Connect, and need keys ASAP, finalizing testing for go live. Again, whatever comments you want to put in there. At this point, you click next just so we can get some of the additional information. Oh, I'm looking for a valid email. There we go. And we can go ahead and click next. Now, at this point, it's going to ask you what modules you want keys for, so you can go ahead and click create. And you'd put in your activation tenant ID. Typically that starts with MSFT, then a bunch of numbers. What modules are you requesting access for? Maybe they want advanced accounting and maybe dispatch management, sandbox or production. We'll say this is for production, and you can click submit. The final piece here is to click next and finalize your request. So you have one last chance to kind of review this. And if it all looks good, you can click submit. it will tell you that your submission has been completed successfully. Our team will get an email as well as a notification, and then we'll be reaching out to you soon after in order to either ask some follow-up questions if there are any, or if you're already subscribed and all you need is a new key, we will issue that key over email. So again, you can see the status here that the keys have been requested. I'm going to go authorize and issue this key, and then we'll be right back so that you can see that status updated. All right, so now I've received your request and I have processed it, so you can go ahead and refresh. You'll also get an email, and at this point you can see all of your historical key requests. We can see this one, when it was issued, we can see that it was issued. We see your comments, and then we also see our comments if we've responded anything back. So again, log in, take a look at your keys. If you're a partner, feel free to search by all of your various customers there, see the keys by customer down here, and request new keys if needed. Of course, you can always update your profile if needed, change your password, all that good stuff. But please let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, we look forward to you checking out the portal and hearing your feedback.